very close to our heart, everybody's heart. There is not one day passes by, Prime Minister's advisor, the major discussion was the skill development and how we can work together in partnership. How do we do that? A lot of suggestions and concretization of suggestions has also taken place. But to make it actionable is what we are confronting right now. How do we really make it actionable? So I congratulate this agreement that has taken place just now. And I'm sure through that agreement, arrangement, that is going to contribute a lot in the effort for skill development and employability. The issue is we have had skill centers in Bangladesh for a long time. Every district has a skill development center without any outcome. Sorry to say this, no outcome. And the people, those who came out of this skill development, I think most of them are not employable. Or employability in the way that I mean, that they're properly employed. So now we are looking at the market-based skill development, where the job market is. We are looking at the job market at home and abroad. Major countries like Japan, Europe, Korea, and many other countries, US, everywhere. So what is the need of the job market? That's what we are trying to find out. And everything should work backward. You find out the job market, work backward to train people to be able to be employable in those job markets. At home as well. We are talking about $1 trillion economy by 2034. That is going to need a lot of skilled people. We're going to need a lot of skilled people. Only investment will not make it happen. So even the investment to function properly, to get the proper outcome of the investment in time, we need skilled people. So there is no two words about it, we all know that. So I think today's effort initiative is a great initiative. Malaysia, Bangladesh, USEP and CIU. So this is something I hope will be materialized the soonest. And this could set an example of new direction, because there are so many ways of doing skill development. We are getting so many proposals from various groups of people, countries, community, according to their needs. It's all done like in a standalone position, actually, not talking to each other. So the time has come that all the initiatives must talk to each other. So it's an integrated effort. So that can be like CISIC is here under Finance Ministry. They're doing wonderful work. And so there are other agencies also work towards this. So if we can talk to each other, every program should talk to each other, then I think that's going to give a better return on your investment. And investment is not an issue here. The issue is here how we are going to make it actionable. Bangladesh present government had budgeted big amount on the education. And on the education budget, a big chunk of amount is going for skill development. So how we can really come out with a good project, execute them in time. The reason I'm repeating the same thing in time, because our project implementation has been very poor in Bangladesh. So we have to do whatever project we take, we must be able to do it in time. To get the proper, we have 4 criteria on any investment right now. One is the value for money. The other one is the return on investment. Third is creation of job. Fourth is the consideration for environment. If these 4 considerations are met while making the project, I think we'll do better. Thank you very much.